you, sir.
Was that a good Foley clap? Would that work in a film?
Well, yeah, sometimes we have to do this.
That's a good clap.
So
Sound is one of our most important senses. And when it comes to movies, TV, and radio, it's the element that draws an audience in and makes the environment immersive. From the samurai swords in Westworld to the classic dance steps in Hail Caesar, sound evokes both emotion and establishes the story's action. And since I've been working on a little project of my own, I thought I'd try my hand at Foley with Jody Thomas at the Think Tank here in LA.
the art of Foley began when a guy named Jack Foley started the process replacing the sound of footsteps in the dance movies during the golden age of Hollywood. And then that moved into creating sounds that they would use like to simulate horses, fire crackling, and those are the traditional ones you hear about. We like to say we're the actors of sound.
I've produced a movie. It's probably gonna take your breath away. We think that it's got all the elements of a surefire Academy Award winner, okay?
Nice.
We've got romance, action, rubber chickens. The one thing that we're lacking, however, is the sound effects. Are you ready to work on a really great motion picture?
Absolutely.
Lead the way, young lady.
Let's go.
Foley is not a one-person job. It takes a team. While Jody is in the studio making sound, TJ, the audio engineer, is mixing it down. Now, just so you know, I did all my own stunts in this as well.
Oh, I could see that.
We didn't hire a professional.
Right there.
That's actually one of my favorite parts.
That's a classic Foley moment if there ever was one.
Time to make some sound. It's like the Salvation Army in a garage sale had a love child.
We like to call these the tools of our trade.
Foley relies on artists to use common household items to create natural sounds for the world we see on screen. From a bed frame becoming a handrail.
Nice job.
Thank God, because I don't know if my hand can handle any more of those. To an inflatable pool toy falling on the ground.
Awesome. Nice job.
I'm a natural. Anything is possible.
So now we're going to do a buddy cue with the rubber chicken.
What's a buddy cue?
That's when two Foley artists work together to enhance the sound of a single effect.
Damn it. See, I was too late on that one.
Cool.
Hey,
Cool.
There she is.
Nice. Now we're going to do a sweetener where the chicken hits the head.
Okay.
And this is your money shot.
This is the money shot.
Pull out your chicken.
Yep, you got it.
And you're just going to whack it on your hand.
That's it.
Yeah, right?
Wouldn't it
And
be more
hits the
realistic, though, if I actually whacked myself in the face with it?
Go for it. I like a man who's dedicated to the craft.
Right?
Chicken to the face. Here we go. Awesome.
I helped you out.
That was a good one. And if you need to record rolling across a car seat, why not just use a car seat?
And give it a flam, we call it, which is a bump. Yeah. That was great, Johnny. Did you by chance bring your dress shoes with you?
You know what? It just so happens, Jody, that I brought them.
Now you're ready for the true test of a Foley artist, and that is walking the character's footsteps on the screen. We want to roll our foot heel toe. And you want to shift your weight left to right. And then to stop.
I feel much better about this holding hands, by the way.
Nice.
Huh? Telling you, girl.
Awesome.
Nice.
Yeah.
There you go. You're a quick learner. All right, Johnny, we're going to do a playback and see how you did.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
That's for Leroy.
Nice.
Yes, yes, we did it. After that, I better get used to holding one of these, okay? And I think I speak for everyone in the room. when I say we've got an absolute masterpiece on our hands. All we really need to worry about is distribution, and I'm hoping you can help me with that.
Yeah, that's a different department.
Well, I guess online it is.